Like, what? What?
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you. Hey, all the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Hoola. So today we're going to be doing a makeup video. Yeah, that's what we're going to be doing. So you got to start with a bare face, fresh face. And here I'm going to be using my Mercier powder. I'm going to link all of the stuff that I use in this video down in the description box below. And yeah, so here I'm putting the powder on my eyebrows because I have oily skin. And I'm going to use a primer. I'm going to use a Smashbox photo finish, putting it all over my face. And obviously now we're going to get to the eyebrows. My eyebrows are not that hard to do, so obviously I'm just using a black pencil and I'm just going to fill in my eyebrows. And that's about it. I'm going to let you guys watch the rest.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth. Maybe got an ego twice the size of the crib. I can never tell a shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Heard you got the paddock on my wrist.
Now obviously we have to highlight the eyebrows. You have to make them look nice. And here I'm just using the Smashbox concealer. I'm just using the one that matches my skin tone for right now. Later on I'll go in with a lighter concealer, but yeah, just blending that out. Once again, I'm not a makeup artist, so I'm just doing my makeup how I like to do it. I'm using my powder and I'm putting it on my smile lines. Now I'm going to put foundation on, and I try not to put too much. And then in the next clip, y'all just going to see me I'm just going to be blending forever. I'm going to be blending till it's nice to my liking.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. It's cool, man.
I don't know if this is your favorite part, but it's definitely mine. Highlighting. I use 3 different concealers. I know that's a lot, but I just like concealers.
Like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something.
Once again, we're going to be blending. I don't use a sponge because I just feel like it doesn't work. So I just use a brush. Any brush is fine. And we're just going to be blending till it's nice.
Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Heard you got the paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on the weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist.
Now I'm putting some powder so we can have that nice finish. Here I'm gonna contour. Once again, I'm gonna put all the stuff I'm using in this video in the description box down below.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual.
Okay, so this was my first time doing this nose contour thing. I seen it on TikTok. So I was like, let me try it out. So obviously first I'm using powder on the sides of my nose first, and then I'm gonna contour, make it look nice and everything. It actually came out really nice. And then yeah, you guys are just gonna see in the rest. I'm not really good at explaining this stuff. Now I'm gonna go in my Nubian palette and use my blush.
Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit.
Oh, here I'm gonna be using my Too Faced concealer, and I'm gonna put it on my eyes, and then I'm just gonna blend it out so the color that I'll be using will pop more.
Never turn my back on every G, God forbid. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist, doing front flips, giving you my number, but don't hit me on no dumb shit. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much.
Here I'm using my Nubian palette again, using that pink color, and I'm just adding the color over and over again until it's to my liking, and I'm just gonna keep on blending forever.
Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. It's cool, man. Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual.
I'm using my NYX palette. I'm just going in and adding like a pink glitter recolor. I'm gonna put that in the description box because I can't remember what color that was. And that's about it.
Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout.
Understand that anything can happen when you take a chance. You never believed in what you could see. Yeah.
Working on a weekend like usual. Way off in the deep end like usual. Niggas swear they passed us, they doing too much. Haven't done my taxes, I'm too turned up. Virgil got a paddock on my wrist going nuts. Niggas caught me slipping once, okay, so what? Someone hit your block up, I tell you if it was us. Man, a house in Rosewood, this shit too plush. Say my day's a number, but I keep waking up. Know you see my text, baby, please say something. Wine by the glass, man, a cheapskate, huh? Niggas gotta move on my release day, huh? Bitch, this is fame, not clout. I don't even know what that's about. Watch your mouth, maybe gotta eat some twice the size of the crib. I can never tell the shit, it is what it is. Said what I had to and did what I did. Never turn my back on FEG, God forbid. Virgil got the paddock on my wrist doing fun.
I ain't no makeup artist though, but it came out cute. And I love it. I ain't even going nowhere, but that's cute. If you like this video, like, comment, and subscribe. I didn't know I could do this, but this is like really cute. So if you're going out with somebody, if you're going out with your friends, you could do this look. You could do this. What? Subscribe. Thank you very much.